So if you're facing a StockX account issue in 2026, yeah, like you can't access your account, something looks wrong, or features aren't working, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it step by step. First, try logging out and logging back in. Sometimes account issues are just session errors. Next, if you can't access your account properly, click Forgot Password and reset it through your email. Now, make sure your email is verified. Unverified accounts can have limited features or restrictions. Next, clear your browser cache or app data. Old or corrupted files can cause account glitches. Now, update your StockX app or browser. Outdated versions can cause account errors or missing features. Next, check if your account has any payment or verification issues. Sometimes restrictions come from incomplete setup. Now turn off any VPN or proxy. StockX may flag accounts logging in from unusual locations. Next, try logging in from a different device or browser to rule out device-related issues. Finally, if nothing works, contact StockX support and provide your account email so they can investigate. And that's it. That's how you fix StockX account issues step by step in 2026.